Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my dirty rice noodles. Now, if you watched my dirty rice recipe, you would kind of have an idea of what this is about, but this is just like the noodle version. Now, for the list of ingredients, I'm going to list everything in the description box, but right here I've got my bell peppers, chopped onions, garlic and ginger. I've also got my seasoning, which is all listed out there, and I've got the different oils that I'll be using for this recipe. After that, I've got my green beans and the carrots, which I'm gonna chop, and of course my minced beef and the rice noodles. Now let's get started. So I start by putting some olive oil in my saucepan, and then I'm gonna add the minced beef, and I'll break it down so it's not gonna be too chunky in the noodle. And then I'm gonna add some oregano. After that, I add some chicken bouillon and white pepper. Now you can add as much or as little as you want when it comes to the white pepper. And then I'm just gonna stir it and allow it to cook for a bit. After it is cooked for a few minutes, I introduce the onion and garlic mixture, and then I'll just stir it together and allow it cook further. After that, I add some curry and turmeric, and then I just stir it again and allow it cook for a bit. After which, I'm going to be introducing my oil, and I'm going to add the sesame seed oil first, and then my oyster sauce. After which, I stir it and then add some fish oil, and then I'll just let it cook on low heat. While that is cooking, I boil some water, and then I'm gonna add it to the rice noodle. Now I'm adding this to the rice noodle, so it's gonna be thin. It's gonna thin it out. So rice noodle doesn't take so long for it to get soft. So once it gets soft, after adding the hot water, I just pour it into a sieve, and then I strain out the water. Once that is done, I set it aside, and then I introduce the chopped vegetables to the minced beef mixture. Now, from here onwards, your meal is almost ready, and trust me, your kitchen right now smells so nice. And then from here, I just stir fry the vegetables and the minced beef. You know, vegetables doesn't take so long to cook, so you don't want to leave it on the cooker for too long. That's why I add it towards the end of the cooking. Yeah, so I just stir fry it until it's cooked nicely to my satisfaction, and then I introduce the rice noodle. After adding the rice noodles, I just stir everything and make sure that the whole noodle is mixed properly with the sauce. And from here onwards, I'm just gonna stir it for about a minute or two, and then I'm gonna take it off the cooker. Now just look at how beautiful and tasty this looks. Trust me, if you make this recipe, if you try it out, I'm not sure you're gonna cook anything else because it's really that good. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I remain your girl Ife. Bye.